When do I need to install Jeep Gladiator with spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with the inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS Jeep Gladiator with spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue. Jeep Gladiator with spacers allow a larger wheel and tire to be fitted without rubbing, by creating clearance to inter-wheel rear wheel components. This can prevent the tires from rubbing against your fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps. As long as you use high-quality Jeep Gladiator with spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of Jeep Gladiator with spacer would be perfect for those wheels. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacer provides improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road. BONOSS aluminum Jeep Gladiator with spacer are made of virgin process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. Meanwhile, the aluminum wheel spacers are much lighter than steel ones, which effectively ensures driving safety. Modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage half-century design fits a wheel hub better. BONOSS wheel spacers provide high performance, more additional functions, trust customer service and friendly service, which is your best choice. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye!